Parents, I'm Dr. Dhanvi and welcome to my channel 7 Sky Child Rehab. Now coming to the causes of the behaviors. So we have seen so many types of behaviors, but what I believe is that if we know the causes, we can help the child in a better way. Cause can be that the child is in stress or too much in anxiety. So what will happen in the stress and anxiety, that the child is not comfortable in that environment, which can lead to certain stress and anxiety. So this can lead to various biting and hitting behaviors also, which are little aggressive behaviors. So this biting and hitting can be restricted to himself also, like it can be self-harming or it can be harming others also. The second cause can be the sensitivities. So I've already discussed in the previous videos about the types of senses and the sensory processing disorders. So any problem in this sensory systems can lead to the sensory behaviors, which we have discussed about is the vestibular seeking, the pressure seeking, the visual stimming. All these behaviors, they are because of the sensory systems. The other common reason for the behaviors is the lack of communication and interaction. See, many times what happens is that because of the lack of speech, the child is unable to express what he is feeling, what he wants to do, what he is liking, what he is disliking, and this may lead to various shouting and screaming behaviors. So it is important to know that what the child is feeling and how the child is feeling, then only we can help to control these behaviors. So that's all for the behaviors. So I hope now all the behaviors and the reasons behind those behaviors are clear. So in the next videos, we are going to learn about the behavioral management strategies also, like how to help the child to overcome these behaviors. So please stay tuned and don't forget to hit the like button if you have liked my video. Thank you.